received on my C-tab.
Me on your C-tab, mate. Sorry, look at me and find me, please, bro.
Mine, 200 meters. Right.
The only thing what I always say is serial number 487669.
Wolfie, stand fast, mate. Come on, please.
Bring me all location.
369, 397, mate.
Coburn, help him out, mate. Coburn, help him out if you can. Where is he? Where are you?
I'm in the building here, mate, right ahead of you. You're straight ahead in that hallway.
Pump grenades if necessary.
Coburn, Coburn.
Yeah. Yep.
Our friendly's in here. Our friendly's in here.
Yep.
Please get me out of here! Get me out!
Shit.
Get me out of here! Serial number
Alright.
Oh yeah, he's dead.
Yeah. I'm hit hard though. Get him. I'm gonna go up to the roof. Get him to get.
669.
What's...
Get me
Yeah,
out!
what's up?
I
Need
don't
me
know.
to take charge, but...
Get me out of here!
Yeah, I know we do, but...
Yeah, there's no way out except for the roof.
669.
Yo, calm down, man. Calm down.
Get me!
Let me get
Get me
this
out!
down off of him.
Get me out!
You know, like...
Yo, chill out, man.
Get me
I
out!
got you.
Dead number.
What is
487
your location?
669.
Yo, you alright, man?
Is that the
Serial
first
number.
compound that you've raided?
487 669.
Just put him back over here for a second.
Get me out of... Just get me out of here. I cannot take it anymore. It's... Serial number
Alright, cool, fine, man.
487 669. Serial number
You
487
mark your
669.
smoke or something, 'cause we don't
Serial
know
number
where
Kill
487
map.
669. Serial number 487 669. Serial number 487 669. Serial number.
Roger that.
Serial number. Serial number.
Say the number.
Serial number. 487 669.
That's fucking broke.
Yeah, I'm on your left. I'm on your left. Woods, I'm on your left.
487 669.
Here on
Yeah,
your
this
left,
guy's
mate. Up
fucking
top.
Busted, man.
Serial number 487 669. Serial number 487.
Purple smoke team, where are you? In relation to
Serial number
purple smoke?
487
Got ya.
669.
on top of that building in front of the other guys. You know,
Serial
with,
number 487
the one...
669. Serial number 487 669. Serial number 487 669.
Mate, you're safe now. Let's take him out of it, Coburn.
Serial number 487
Oh, yeah, we can move out of the way.
669.
Saying the same shit. 487
Yeah, there's a doorway here.
Serial
door
number
here.
Blocked.
487
Is it locked?
669.
Ah, fuck. Okay.
Blocked off.
Yeah, we need to go through
Serial
on the
number
rooftop.
Do
487
you want me to